I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone is updated and that you have carrier account details ready. Once ready, open Settings and tap Cellular. You will see one or more cellular plans listed. Tap the Esim plan you want to delete because removing the wrong profile can drop service. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi if you plan to add a new plan immediately. After you tap the plan, prepare to use the Remove Cellular Plan option that appears near the bottom. You now perform the core deletion. Tap Remove Cellular Plan and confirm when the dialog appears. This clears the Esim profile from your iPhone. Once removed, make sure you check cellular data and default voice settings, especially on dual SIM devices, because the system may switch defaults automatically. If you plan to transfer service, contact the carrier before removing to avoid downtime. Keep the carrier QR code, activation code, or account credentials handy in case you need to finish by restarting your iPhone and verifying the Esim is gone from Settings Cellular and from the Control Center Signal Indicator. If you need to add a new Esim, use the carrier QR code, the carrier app, or Settings Add Esim and follow the activation prompts. If the plan won't delete, try resetting network settings to clear stuck profiles, and if that fails, contact your carrier. They can clear the Esim from their side or provide a replacement activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.